As full-time RV travelers, we love going off the beaten track. And what we found is that small towns are full of unique discoveries, interesting history, and even quirky outdoor adventures. Take a ride with us in a small Maine town as we experience a repurposed, iconic mode of travel, help preserve history, and have fun all at the same time.
We're Angie and Dave with Outdoor More to Explore, and today we're in Thorndike, Maine. You know, when you think of Maine, you think of the rocky coastline, lighthouses, lobsters, but not necessarily railroads.
We have gone off the beaten path today to explore a different side of Maine, and we are standing on the Belfast Moosehead Lake rail line. We are about to ride the rails, but in a little different manner than you might expect.
These are Railcycles. As you can see, they don't quite have the horsepower of a train, but they're a whole lot of fun. Railcycles are a tandem single-speed pedal bike specifically designed for the railroad track.
Our pedal today is a 5.5-mile out and back route with a 2% grade. Riding a Railcycle gives us the chance to see the scenery of Maine in a whole new way. It's fun, and it's a great workout. And best of all, the funds from the cost of riding the Railcycles help fund the preservation and restoration of the historic Belfast Moosehead Lake rail line.
That was such a fun ride. We love going off the beaten track to find new and exciting ways to explore. If you want more information on Railcycles, check out the description and the link down below.
And of course, to follow our adventures, subscribe to our YouTube channel, check out our website at Outdoor More to Explore, and follow us on social media.